सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन एम्पलीट्यूड है 0 वेलोसिटी और 0 एक्सेलरेशन के बीच का गैप x is equals to a sin omega t plus phi displacement from mean point and amplitude a initial phase अब omega is 2 pi by t angular frequency 0 to 30 degree 45 degree 60 degree 120 degree a হলো 90 degree so এটা sin ভ্যালু হবে আসিব a sin হলা 1 by 2 সে সেমতি plus a by 2 a by root 2 a root 3 by 2 তারপরে পুଣି a ହେଲା root 3 by 2 a by root 2 a 1 by 80 ଏମତି first 30 then theta 15 then theta 30 and so on तापर 180 पास करला पर 180 to 360 सब नेगेटिव रहा टाइम पीरियड इन स्प्रिंग ब्लॉक t is equals to 2 pi under root m by k equals to 2 pi under root m by k equivalent spring block t equals to 2 pi under root l by g radius of earth la l and 2 pi under root l by g effective upward hele acceleration plus gravity downward hele acceleration minus gravity simple pendulum lift t equals to pi under root mu by k mu hela reduced mass m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 t hela 2 pi under root of I by mg dc compound pendulum velocity of particle v at other position except the mean position v equals to omega under root of a square minus x square v minimum is equal to 0 at extreme v maximum है a omega at mean position only acceleration equals to minus omega square x of other particles acceleration maximum है a omega square acceleration minus omega square kinetic energy is equal to half k a square minus x square and potential energy point half k x square total energy is equal to half k a square k है m omega square force is equal to minus k x square omega है under root of k by m spring constant force is equal to y a by y a into delta l by a is equal to minus omega square into x torsional pendulum है t equals to I by c I है mr square by 2 bob stem है कि tension is equal to maximum है t है mg a square by l square plus 1 and tension minimum है t equals to mg a square by l square minus 1 omega t equals to pi when new mass is added or impulse is given to block d is momentum conservation j है delta p p final minus p initial momentum graph total energy nx plus a minus a half kx का kinetic energy और potential energy पोटेंशियल एनर्जी है ऊपर वाला सर्कल काइनेटिक एनर्जी तल वाला सर्कल सेमी सर्कल आ दुटा सेमी सर्कल आउ टोटल एनर्जी है हॉरिजॉन्टल बाडीटा टोटल एनर्जी को काइनेटिक एनर्जी को पोटेंशियल एनर्जी माने काइनेटिक एनर्जी को पोटेंशियल एनर्जी है जेते दुटा इक्वल है काइनेटिक एनर्जी को पोटेंशियल एनर्जी x is equals to plus or minus a by root 2 SHM spring is equals to capacitance so k equals to 2k plus 3k equals to 5k parallel capacitance mu is equals to 3m by 2m reduced mass m1 m2 by m2 अब k equivalent is equals to 1 by 6k 1 by 6k series capacitance लगे और reduced mass t equals to m by हाँ बस perfect superimposition of HHM f1 is equals to minus kx gives x1 is equals to a1 omega sin omega square f2 is equals to k minus kx x2 is equals to a2 sin omega square plus omega t plus 1 a net is equals to under root of a1 square plus a2 square plus 2a1 a2 cos theta find amplitude of both if pi by 2 is different then a1 sin omega t plus cos omega t under root of a1 square plus a2 square a2 is sin omega t plus pi by 2 if x1 is 10 sin omega t then एमती क्वेश्चन है तो सलीम सर का ट्रिक बाय टेकिंग देयर कंपोनेंट्स तो सब x एंड y एक्सिस रे कंपोनेंट देके तुमको ब्रेक कर देबो आ तुमको x एंड y एक्सिस डिवाइड कर देबो तब तुमको रिजल्ट काट देबो क्रिटिकल क्वेश्चन इसलिए ऑल थ्री स्प्रिंग्स आर इन पैरेलल k इक्वल्स टू 2k plus 2k by 1 multiply with k equals to 3k तो लेफ्ट वाला स्प्रिंग खाली दुटा पैरेलल रे और राइट वाला हला दुटा सीरीज रे बट इन टोटल से हला पैरेलल रे दुटा का ओमेगा k by m a1 v1 is equals to a1 by omega 1 v2 is equals to a2 by omega 2 moment of conservation mv1 is equals to m1 plus v1 m2 m by under root k by m is equals to m1 plus m2 a2 under root k by m1 plus m2 total energy here kinetic energy is potential energy in graph represents potential energy will always be positive so upper hale alpha 0 time period of a second pendulum t equals to under root l by g second pendulum here t equals to 2 as due to gravity g by r square total net distance from the center of earth x is equals to r theta plus theta dash theta is equal to omega t find new amplitude just do nothing y equals to sin omega t plus cos omega t 1 sin omega t plus 1 sin omega equals to under root of a1 square plus a2 square sin जो कि cos था किसी भी था फर्क नहीं पड़ता for a spring block f max is equals to a into acceleration m into acceleration maximum m omega square into a la amplitude find value of force constant माने k value in linear SHM acceleration and displacement are always in opposite direction v max is only at mean position. Oscillation is minimum at the extreme position. When a pendulum clock is taken to high height, its time period increases. For at height, t equals to 2 of L by G, Gm by L R plus H whole square. So time period increases, height increases. Time period at a motion of the particle inside the surface of Earth la 84 minus a to 0 to a. मध्याला a by 2. So t1 to t2. Total time is equals to t by 4. If the sum have time period t 0 to a by 2 t by 12 t by 6 time period t2 and t1 आगे 6 तापर 12 in potential energy versus time curve will be maximum in time t by 8 time period capital T by 8 one time period is equals to one oscillation so 1 by n oscillation x time period one time period x time period वेलोसिटी को ट्रिपल करने के बाद भी डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ पार्टिकल सेम रहेगा वी चेंजेस फाइंड ए न्यू वी है ओमेगा अंडर ए स्क्वायर माइनस 4a² बाय 9 3v इक्वल्स टू ओमेगा अंडर ए स्क्वायर बाय माइनस 4a² बाय 9 g effective is equals to g cos alpha t equals to 2 pi under of L by g effective t equals to 2 pi under of L by g cos alpha relative density solved by density of water so it is t equals to 2 pi under L by g effective la g whole into 1 minus density of liquid by density of solid find omega f is equal to minus 25x ma is equals to minus 25x omega square is equals to 100 omega is equals to 10 we la omega under root of a square minus x square to find number of complete oscillation la n is equal to time by time period time should be in second x is equals to minus a to x equals to a phase change la 2 pi to 0 to pi to 3 by 2 t equals to x to 0 to a la t by 4 t1 is equals to t by 12 t2 is equals to t by 6 system particular graph velocity by time la elliptical 0 to pi by 2 then pi then 3 pi by 2 then 2 pi x is equals to minus 8 to x to 0 x equals to a t1 into to t2 a by 2